In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find games on Netflix TV app. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that Netflix games are primarily available on supported mobile devices, and availability of games on TVs depends on your device, region, and whether your TV supports Netflix cloud gaming features. First, launch Netflix app on your smart TV or streaming device and sign into your account. From the Netflix home screen, browse through the available categories or use the search function to look for the game section if it's available on your device. You may also find supported games featured on the homepage or in a dedicated games row. Select a game to view its details, then follow the on-screen instructions to start playing. Some games may require pairing your smartphone as a controller by scanning a QR code displayed on your TV screen, while others may support compatible Bluetooth game controllers. If you don't see a game section, don't worry. Netflix is still rolling out TV game support, and it is not available on every smart TV, streaming device, or in every region. Make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version and check that your device supports Netflix games on TV. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.